Back October of last year, my wife and I came home about 8 o'clock in the evening to the sound of some rushing water. And the lowest level, which was finished, had about 20 inches of water in it. Menold was the first company to come to mind because they had worked with us before at another house. We called them about 8 o'clock in the evening. By 9 o'clock they were here. They stayed till about 1 or 2 in the morning. The crew, from the time that they first got here, they were all friendly. They began to take things out. For instance, the walls that had been damaged and the wainscoting, furniture, and we had a built-in bar, and that had to be removed. Menold did a great job of keeping us in the loop about what they were doing and how long it would take. We were completely pleased and satisfied. I've told all the neighbors and friends what a great job Menold has done. Hopefully I'll never need Menold again, but I want you to know if anything like that ever happens, they will be the first people we contact.